Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the question and answers of our third lesson, class main is fill in the blanks. In that, the first question is dash is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi. So which is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi? It is Channa Mallikarjuna. And the second is Purandaradasa was in the court of dash. So he was in the court of Krishna Devaraya. So Adikeshava is the pen name of dash Kanakadasa. Adikeshava was the pen name of Kanakadasa. Kabir of Karnataka. So who is known as Kabir of Karnataka? Shishunala Sharifa is known as Kabir of Karnataka. And next, fifth one. Chaitanya's first name is. So what is the first name of Chaitanya? It is Vishwambara. Sufi saint Khwaja Bande Nawaz. Other name is dash. And the other name of this Khwaja Bande Nawaz was Gesu the Raj. So this is the first main. So next main is second main. Answer the following questions in one sentence. So for these questions we have to answer in one sentence. So the first question is, what is the original name of Goda Devi? So the original name of Goda Devi was Andal. Where was Akka Mahadevi born? So where was this Akka Mahadevi born? Akka Mahadevi was born in Udutadi of Shivamogga district. This Akka Mahadevi was born in Udutadi of Shivamogga district. Next, who is known as Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha? So Purandaradasa is known as Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha. So this we have to remember that who is known as the Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha. He is Purandaradasa. Fourth is name Kanakadasa's parents. Birappa and Bachamma are Kanakadasa's parents. Next, fifth question is, which is the sacred book of Sikhs? So Granth Sahib is the sacred book of Sikhs, who is called as Radha of Kali Yuga. What is the meaning of the word Sufi? Clean and clear. So the meaning of the word Sufi is clean and clear. Name Sufi saints of India. Nizamuddin Auliya, Bande Nawaz, Moinuddin Chishti and Salim Chishti are some of the Sufi saints of India. So these are some of the Sufi saints who are from India. Who was the founder of Chishti cult? So we have discussed this. Moinuddin Chishti is the founder of Chishti cult. Who is the first Kannada Muslim poet? So who is the first Kannada Muslim poet? His Shishunal Sharifa is the first Kannada Muslim poet. Okay. Shishunala Sharifa is the first Kannada Muslim poet. Next, answer the following in 3 sentences. Now we have to answer these questions in 2 to 3 sentences. So the first question is, write the message of Kabir Das. So what did the message Kabir Das conveyed? So Kabir Das tried to bring Hindu-Muslim unity. So he tried to bring Hindu-Muslim unity, and he condemned caste system, luxurious life and discrimination based on religion. So this Kabir Das condemned caste system, luxurious life and discrimination based on religion. Next, he described Hindu Muslims as pots of same clay. So this Kabir Das described Hindu Muslims as pots of same clay. He said that Allah and Rama are the two names of one God. And according to Kabir Das, it is not possible to see God by fasting, torturing the body, sacred pilgrimages, and it is only possible by sacred devotion. So this was the message of Kabir Das. Next is, list out the teachings of Guru Nanak. So Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. So who is the founder of Sikh religion? Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. Sikh cult has given importance for japa and good deeds. This Guru Nanak stressed on gender equality. He proclaimed that God is one, eternal one, and one can gain Guru through Bhakti, and with Bhakti one can attain Mukti. And this Guru Nanak opposed social evils like idol worshipping, casteism, sati system, etc. Next, what are the influences of Bhakti cult? Influences of Bhakti cult are: Bhakti saints created harmony between Hindu and Muslims. Bhakti saints wrote in simple common man's language. This enriched the languages of common man. So this Bhakti saints, they tried to create harmony between Muslims and Hindu, and these Bhakti saints wrote in simple common man's language, and this enriched the languages of common man. So the fourth question is, summarize the essence of Sufi cult. What is the essence of Sufi cult? So the essence of Sufi cult is, God is one, He is powerful, we are all His children. This encouraged good deeds, and Sufi cult encouraged good deeds. It proclaimed that all are equal. They opposed caste system. Dharma means love, service to mankind. So these are the essence of Sufi cult. So the fourth main which we are going to do now is about match the following. So here we should match the column A to column B. So the first is Guru Nanak. So Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. Guru Nanak to Sikh religion. Chaitanya. So Chaitanya, he influenced Hare Krishna cult. We learned that today's Hare Krishna cult is influenced by Chaitanya. And Nizamuddin Auliya. This Nizamuddin Auliya was a Sufi saint. Nizamuddin Auliya was a Sufi saint. And Mirabai is known as the Radha of Kali Yuga. So these are the answers for match the following. You can write down the answers. So with this we have finished our third chapter, that is Bhakti, Cult and Sufi Heritage. Let's see in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.